Blogs began as online journals where people shared their lives. But today, the goals are more professional. Most people now blog to promote their business or brand. This recording highlights common reasons for blogging and the benefits. People love to share what they're passionate about. If you love fishing, you'll want to tell the whole world about it. This goes for other things such as marketing, photography, etc. Blogging about what you love helps you connect with others who share your passion all around the globe. A blog gives you a platform to teach others. As you do so, you will also be learning more about the subject. Educating through a blog can open a stream of income for you. Blogs for business owners increase exposure. Regular blog content earns you visibility in Google search results. And if you create content for other websites, you will expose your business to a new audience. Sharing what you know via a blog makes people view you as an authority. If you choose a specific niche, you may start getting invited to speak at events, podcasts, and interviews. The more you attend, the more people know you. Eventually, you may get a book publishing contract. As highlighted in our recording, regular blog content will make you rank well in search engines. With target commercial keywords, you can attract customers. Social media audiences seem to prefer blog posts over sales pages or ads. Share your articles on social networks and allow your readers to do the same. Manage online identity. Someone can know what your business is all about when they search for it online. A blog helps you control how your business is defined. Learn new things. Blogging allows you to impart knowledge, but more importantly, it helps you learn. You must research in order to teach others. You will also gain valuable online marketing knowledge. Improve writing skills. Maintaining a blog involves creating a lot of written content. Even video bloggers and podcasters must write descriptions and engage with subscribers in the comment section. Proficiency in a new language. Most people don't get to blog in their mother tongue. Writing in another language makes you more proficient. Technical knowledge. You may not become a web design expert, but you will acquire a little tech knowledge along the way. Connect with new friends. You will develop a fan base and probably build long-lasting relationships. Become an expert. As you continue to gain recognition in your niche, people will consider you an expert. Get invited. Experts are always getting asked to speak at events. Become an author. If people like what you write, getting someone to publish your books will be easy. Job offers. Other businesses will want you to create compelling content for them. A new business. Your blog can become a real business if you take it seriously. Sell more products. Target your ideal customer with your content and you will boost sales. Immediate feedback. Readers post what they think in the comment section. More blogs. When the first blog starts paying off, you can build another one. Freedom. Bloggers can work from anywhere and whenever they want.